I'm keen to start using the library as soon as possible. I'm keen to start using the library as soon as possible. You'll need to fill out an application first. You'll need to fill out an application first. Is it going to take long before they process my application? Is it going to take long before they process my application? All applications are processed on the spot. All applications are processed on the spot. You only need a passport picture. You only need a passport picture. Can you spare a few minutes to answer some questions? Can you spare a few minutes to answer some questions? I suppose so. I suppose so. What is it for? What is it for? It's for a university assignment. It's for a university assignment. Go ahead, I'm listening. Go ahead, I'm listening. I do apologize for keeping you waiting. I do apologize for keeping you waiting. Would you like a cup of tea or coffee? Would you like a cup of tea or coffee? That's very kind of you, but I'm fine. Thanks. That's very kind of you, but I'm fine. Thanks. What does the future hold for your company? What does the future hold for your company? I'm planning on expanding it to the rest of the world. I'm planning on expanding it to the rest of the world. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I nearly fell from a tree. I nearly fell from a tree. My father didn't go to work today. My father didn't go to work today. Stop worrying your mother. Stop worrying your mother. Hard work pays. Hard work pays. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy. I've just received a message. I've just received a message. My message box is full. My message box is full. I want to do something. I want to do something. There's nothing much to do. There's nothing much to do. She will recover soon. She will recover soon. What a surprise! What a surprise! It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Open the door for me. Open the door for me. Let me know when you're free. Let me know when you're free. I hope you see what I'm talking about. I hope you see what I'm talking about. Well, a little bit. Well, a little bit. The food is ready. The food is ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't think I'm ready now. I don't think I'm ready now. Bring me some water. Bring me some water. There you are. There you are. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You are wrong. You are wrong. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Come inside. Come inside. Do you have any other questions? Do you have any other questions? No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. You are running too fast. You are running too fast. I'll have to go. I'll have to go. I've got a job interview at 9 a.m. I've got a job interview at 9 a.m. Can you tell me where the park is? Can you tell me where the park is? Go down this street, then take the first on your right. Go down this street, then take the first on your right. How much longer before you leave for Hong Kong? How much longer before you leave for Hong Kong? About a month, I guess. About a month, I guess. My family and I travel a lot. My family and I travel a lot. Can I take it? Can I take it? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. This dress will fit you well. This dress will fit you well. You can try it out. You can try it out. Both Mike and Danny don't have a job. Both Mike and Danny don't have a job. I live with my family, my wife, and 3 children. I live with my family, my wife, and 3 children. I broke my glasses. I broke my glasses. It smells good. It smells good. Remove it from here. Remove it from here. It's nice and warm today. It's nice and warm today. We're having a real heat wave. We're having a real heat wave. The sun is very strong today. The sun is very strong today. It's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. It's freezing. It's freezing. I feel cold. I feel cold. It's about to rain. It's about to rain. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It's pouring. It's pouring. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. You look tired. You look tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I can hardly keep my eyes open. I can hardly keep my eyes open.